Hello and welcome to Edu Shastra. Let's start with this IR problem. This is in the two-part analysis format because you have these two variables or two unknowns that you need to find from these 6 given options over here. Basically, this is talking about Anastasia who needs to refinance basically her debt, and for that there are two options: financing option A and B, and we need to find to the nearest tenth what is the annualized simple interest rate. So let's start for the financing option A. What's the principal? Principal is given to you directly as $200,000. We'll work in terms of $100,000 or K, and it is given that how much money she is paying over what period. So what is the total amount she is paying? It's 3,000. So basically 3K into 9 into 12, which comes to be $324,000. So what is the interest that she has paid? It's 324 minus 200, which is $124,000. And we know that interest is nothing but PRT by 100. So it's, if the effective interest rate is, let's say, A%, so in that case, I can write P, which is 200, R, and time is 9 years over 100, because we need to calculate the annualized interest rate. So this directly goes off. You are left with A as, you can again cancel 2 on both sides. You are left with 62 over 9 in terms of a fraction. So this is very close to 97663. So this is approximately 6.9%. So that's your first answer. For the second one, it's a little bit elongated in the sense that she's paying in two different durations at different rates. It's first of all given that she pays 20,000 upfront over the initial principal, which is 200K. So for the financing option B, basically your principal comes down to $180,000. Very simply, she has just paid off, so that just goes off the records. So this is the effective principal. Then she needs to pay back over a period of 15 years, $2,000 for the 5 years and $2,500 for 10 years. So what is the total amount she is paying? It's in two parts. She is paying $2,000 for 55 years, which is nothing but 60 months. And again, she is paying $2,500, which is 2.5K times, these are 10 years, which is 120 months. So 2K into 60, this is 120K, and this is nothing but 312, 120 into 2.5. So this comes to a total of 420K that she is paying. Now this is the total amount she is paying. This is my principal amount. What is the interest she is paying? She is paying an interest of 420 minus 80, which is 240. Again, go by this formula. Your 240 equals PRT by 100. Principal is your 180. R is, let's say, B, again B percentage. Time is in this case 15 years over 100. Just simplify this out. You will get your value of B as 80 over 9, which is very close to 8.9 percentage. So that's your second answer. So overall a straightforward calculation, but however in the second part you needed to break it down into different time periods, and overall the percentage was calculated by the formula. Interest is principal into rate into time over 100. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel.